It's harvest time! Hello friends! Today we're gonna learn about fruits. Let's try to find the fruits down here. Look, what is that? Oh, it's a strawberry. Can you say strawberry? Oh, very good. Let's put down right here. Look, there's another fruit. Wow, it's a pineapple. I like pineapple. It's so tasty. Okay, now let's try to find another fruit. Wow, look. Do you know what is this? Oh, it's an apple. Yes, apple. I like apple. Okay, put here. Now, let's try to find another fruit. Wow! Look, it's a melon. I like melon. The color is green. Wow, we already have a lot of fruits here. Wow! Let's try again. Look, what is that? Yeah, it's an orange. Oh, you're so smart. Okay, let's put them right here. So delicious. Okay, what we have here? Look, it's a lemon. Oh, so healthy. I like fruits. It's so good for our bodies. Okay, let's put down here. Wow, so tasty. Wow, it's a grapes. Oh, I love grapes. The color is purple. Let's put here. Now we already found all the fruits. Okay, it's time to wash the fruits. Are you ready? Let's go and wash the fruits. Yay! Let's count the fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fruits here. Wow, look, it's so yummy. Let's wash it. Wash, wash, wash. Okay, I like fruits. It's so healthy and good for our bodies.